Have you ever had those sleepless nights? No matter what you do, you just cannot fall asleep. Have you ever tried the melatonin supplement to help you sleep? You think melatonin is a magical pill to help you sleep better? You may use it wrong. It actually could hurt your sleep. Hi, I'm Dr. Yishan, about certified sleep psychologist. So let's talk about melatonin and sleep health today. So in my clinical work, I often see these 3 common myths about melatonin usage. First, if we use a lot of melatonin right before bedtime, it can help us fall asleep faster and sleep better. Totally wrong. First, we have to understand what is melatonin. Melatonin actually is a natural hormone released by our body when it gets dark outside. And then it's actually a signal for our brain and body that it's nighttime, be ready for sleep. That means melatonin actually cannot produce sleep. It's really just a signal to help us prepare for sleep better. Remember, melatonin is a hormone, not medication or herb. So does it really work? After reviewing a lot of literature and research, the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and American College of Physicians, they both concluded there's just not enough evidence to show us how effective or safe using melatonin supplement to help sleep. So they actually don't recommend those. Remember, these are top sleep doctors in the nation. They want us to be cautious about taking melatonin supplements. And as you can imagine, there's some of psychological factors there, such as placebo effect. We associate taking melatonin supplements with sleep, then we psychologically rely on it. It may work sometimes, may not work sometimes. But if we've been relying on it for a long time, once we stop, our sleep problem may get worse. That's called insomnia rebound effects. We see that often among people who take either this kind of sleep supplement or some kind of sleep medicine for a long time. This kind of insomnia rebound does not mean you have to rely on this kind of medication forever for your sleep, but it could be very scary and hook people back up to this kind of supplements they are taking. Second myth, the more melatonin supplement you take, the better you can sleep. This is a big mistake because we have to understand how much melatonin our body naturally produces every night. What research found is every night our body only produces 10 to 80 microgram melatonin. And during the daytime, our body also releases melatonin but much less than the nighttime. What that means, all those supplements you can find in the supermarket are 1 milligram, 5 milligram, or even 10 milligram. That's a lot of melatonin you are taking into your body. So how can you count your body be able to digest such a huge amount of melatonin and get it out of your system in the morning? So that's why some people take melatonin, they will feel drowsy. In the morning, they just cannot wake up because there's still a lot of melatonin in your system. And you feel like, the nighttime is not over yet. I'm not ready for the daytime. I'm not ready to get up yet. And that's why you are taking too much. Melatonin is not something bigger amount lead to bigger effect. Once our body have enough, no matter how much more you are taking, it won't make any difference anymore. The third myth, melatonin is safer than sleep medicine? Not necessarily. So in 2017, there is a group of sleep researchers from Canada researched a lot of different brands of melatonin on the market. They found something amazing. So across all these brands and all these different pills, the real amount of melatonin in the pills varies so much. It's so different than what they label on the body of the bottle. The variation is between 83% less to 478% more than what they label. And there's a lot of other things in it other than melatonin. Can you imagine what you are really taking into your system when you are taking melatonin supplements. So you have to be really cautious about what you put in your mouth and into your body. So now we know melatonin may not work the way you think it works. We can still use it to help us somewhat. How to use melatonin in the correct way? Melatonin is not something useful for us to fall asleep, but it's very helpful to help us adjust our circadian rhythm to an earlier bedtime. So for example, if you are super night owl and you want to be able to go to bed a little bit earlier, you can consider taking a super small dosage of melatonin, like 0.1 milligram to 0.5 milligram, 4 to 5 hours before bedtime. Because that way, you are really taking it before your body releases melatonin. That can help signal your body and brain to be prepared for bedtime earlier. And that is also why you can use melatonin to help you when you fly across time zones. So another population who may benefit from melatonin a lot are children with epilepsy or children with autism spectrum disorder. There's some research showing using a larger dosage of melatonin among this population can help them sleep better. So after knowing all these pros and cons of melatonin, what do you think about it? Welcome to leave a message down below and let me know. At the end, I want to emphasize, the best way to fall asleep is to allow our body to fall asleep naturally. Anything you want to use to control your sleep, including melatonin, may only make things worse. Remember, our body knows how to sleep naturally. You just need to let down the anxiety towards sleep, learn how to relax your body, calm your mind, learn to trust your own biology, change your sleep habit, change how you think about sleep, and then natural high-quality sleep will come your way. So the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and American College of Physicians both recommend CBT for insomnia is the best treatment for insomnia. If you want to learn more about this treatment, I have a course. You can check it out. If you like my channel, welcome to subscribe and like. My team and I will create more content regarding sleep health, sexual health, and mental health. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. I'm Dr. Li Shen. I will see you next time. Bye. Are you struggling with insomnia? Do you know there's one method out there? It's first-line treatment in many countries. It's very evidence-based and it's very effective. And it's called CBTI. So I have designed this 4-week-long CBTI course to help you recover from insomnia without relying on medication. I provide weekly Q&A sessions to help you tailor the treatment to your own needs and your own sleep pattern. Check it out at this website, mindbodygarden.com/insomnia.